Oh no!
The blob of snow we have on the top. I just wanted to. What is up, guys? How are you? Welcome to a whole new vlog. So today is Sunday, February, what is it? 10. And it is about 2:14 p.m. We just dropped off my dad at work. He had to work, which sucks, but he'll probably be off soon. And right now my mom is driving us. My mom right there is driving me and my sister right there to the store because we have to go get a shovel because we don't have one for the snow because it's gonna keep snowing, and it's been snowing a lot. And we're gonna try to see if we can find any. Let's hope we do, because everything's like selling out at the stores and stuff. So we'll see how it looks like, but I'll keep you guys updated throughout our day because, you know, why not? Guys, so we made it to Walmart and the parking lots are insane. People do not know how to park. They leave their little shopping carts everywhere. We will see if we find anything at the store. To my surprise, there's actually food and stuff at the store. They're probably restocking though, because some places there's not that much stuff, but in some places there is. Anyways, we're gonna go look for the shovel now because it's where we came from and we almost forgot it. So we made it home. We made it safe. We didn't crash or anything. I mean, outside. Pero ahora vamos a prepararle la comida a los pajaritos. It was my sister's great idea. Well, she brought it to my attention actually. And it's funny because I was outside. They were cleaning the driveway. And I was just standing outside in the door. And this little bird, tiny little bird that was like this, it was like round and tiny, it's the cutest thing ever, just like stopped by, like right next to me almost. The cars keep passing by our house and like they like record because their cars are super buried in the snow. But anyways, the little bird flew by and was like looking for food, probably because it was stopping by the little trees we have, but there was nothing, so it flew away. And then I was like, oh, it's so cute. And my sister's like, oh yeah, they said on the news to like make sure and put food out for the birds because their food is buried all under all the snow. But this is the little cage that I got. And here's the little food. They have like these little packets. I don't know which ones to get because I'm not like a bird person. So I know nothing about them. But I don't want them to die, you know. I want them to eat. Like I would, if I was a bird, I'd appreciate if someone like put food out for me. But this is high energy soup for year-round wild bird feeding, for food for wild birds only. Attracts wider variety of birds. So that's what I wanted. I wanted to feed as many birds as I could with this little thing. Because there was a different ones, but they like were for only like 3 types or 2 types of birds, and I was like, I don't know. Refrigerate for easy removal. Remove, wrap, and insert cake into feeder. Smells like starch, like masa. Hopefully it works. I didn't refrigerate it, so hopefully it'll stay in there. But I think I have to figure out where I'm gonna hang it. It's probably hanging right there. I kind of want to hang it like, if I could, like close it and then hang it, but instead of hanging it like this, I want to hang it like this, like that, so that they could like stand on this thing and eat, you know. I think that's better, because if I put it like this, if they're eating from the side here, they'll have to like, I don't know, I'll see. I'll try to put it how I think about it. And if it falls, I'll put it where it's actually supposed to go. But this is like greasy. Doesn't smell bad. It's like weird looking. Hopefully it'll come out. It's so cold. It's cold. Okay, it's not coming out. Also, we got like, ugh. I don't think this is gonna work. Ooh. I'm just gonna try to like get it off from the sides here. I'm not gonna refrigerate it so like it says it's easier so it can come off, which I bet that's true because it's not wanting to come out real nice right now. But there you go. Hey, because if I refrigerate it, it's gonna get colder, and when I put it out there, I'm pretty sure it's already gonna be cold enough for the poor birds. But I'm so excited it worked. It worked. It's all. Now they can have some food. We also have like a different bird feeder outside, but we haven't put any like seeds in it in a long time. And right now it's like empty. It was like full, so the birds do come by here and eat. But I need to find that type of, because this is a block, like a block of cake. But the other one feeder, it's like a long tube thingy, so you put all the seeds inside, so they're like loose. But I need to find that. It's in our garage somewhere. Oh, I think I do have to hang it like this. Oh no, it's spilling. Damn. Now it's gonna make me clean up this mess. Keep going in there. If I don't. Oh, I'm so excited. I'll probably put it by the window. Should I put it by the window to see if like when they come by? Pixel. Hopefully that holds. I think I will put it like this, just because. Hopefully they're able to get to it. Alright, let's go outside and put it on there. Let's see, I don't know where I'm supposed to put it. Yay! We got the food! Let me show you guys where the other one is. It's right there. It's right outside our house. But I need to get to it somehow and go get it, but it's right there. That little one right there. That's it right there. See, it's empty already. Looks kind of dirty. Maybe it's just. Anyways, I'll probably. Oh, we have a bee nest or whatever you want to call it. Probably hang it right there, because there's hooks on there already. And there's like water dripping right here, so if they're thirsty, they can drink some water. But okay, let me see where we have our little ladder thing. ¿Qué haces, Monse?
Poniéndole de comer a los pájaros. Pero no well, la escalera está llena de nieve, está atrás donde está el trampolín, so se la hacen. Pero no sé si quitar
No.
Esta, así, porque luego se electrocutan con el de este. No. O como se llama. ¿Así?
Cuélgalo de eso.
Y pero ahí el agua se va a deshacer. Mejor lo pongo en el otro. This is like soggy cereal.
Cuelga los foquitos.
¿Cómo no se descompone?
Yo estoy viendo por aquí.
Ok, este sí tengo miedo. ¿Qué tal que es eso? Ojalá y no haga mucho aire, que luego se tumbe. Lo hicimos, guys. Lo hicimos.